Odisha is a state in eastern India on the Bay of Bengal. The capital city is Bhubaneswar, known as the City of Temples, and the official language is Oriya. Odisha is the 8th largest state by area. The Golden Triangle of Odisha is a tourist route connecting Bhubaneswar, Konark, and Puri, known for its rich heritage, temples, and coastline. The jewels of Odisha refer to a range of significant sites like Jagannath Temple in Puri, Dhauli Shanti Stupa in Bhubaneswar, Konark Sun Temple in Konark, Brahmeshwara Temple in Bhubaneswar, Rajrani Temple in Bhubaneswar, Mukteshwara Temple in Bhubaneswar, Parshurameshwara Temple in Bhubaneswar, Alarnatha Temple in Brahmagiri, Udayagiri and Khandagiri caves near Bhubaneswar, Konark Sun Temple Museum in Konark, Odisha State Museum in Bhubaneswar, Odisha State Tribal Museum in Bhubaneswar, Nandankanan Zoological Park, located near Bhubaneswar, Chilika Lake in Odisha. The Jagannath Temple in Puri, Odisha is a 12th century Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Jagannath, a form of Lord Vishnu along with his siblings Lord Balbhadra and Devi Subhadra. Unlike other temples where deities are stone or metal, Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra are wooden idols that are ceremonially replaced every 12 to 19 years. Temple constructed in the Kalinga architectural style, it features a towering spire, shikhra, intricate carvings, and a fortified complex with 4 gates. It is one of the most sacred pilgrimage sites in India and a part of the Char Dham circuit, famous for its annual Rath Yatra festival and unique wooden idols of the deities. The Jagannath Temple in Puri has a sacred flag known as the Patitapvanabana, which is changed every single day in an ancient ceremony called Dhwaja Parivartan. Priests perform the ritual at sunset by climbing the temple's 214-foot spire without safety gear to replace the old flag with a new one. It is believed that the temple would remain closed for 18 years if the flag was not changed. The flag-changing ceremony takes place around 4 to 5 p.m. in the winter and 5 to 6 p.m. in the summer. According to legend, Lord Krishna's heart is said to be kept inside the idol at the Jagannath Puri temple. It is believed that the heart, known as the Brahma Padarth, was transferred from Lord Krishna's cremated body into an idol of Jagannath, a form of Krishna. Dhauli Shanti Stupa is a white, dome-shaped Buddhist peace pagoda built in 1972 on Dhauli Hills near Bhubaneswar, India, to commemorate Emperor Ashoka's conversion to Buddhism after the Kalinga War, which was fought on this site. It is a symbol of peace and non-violence, featuring intricate carvings from the Buddha's life and 4 large lion sculptures at the base. 4 different postures of Buddha are depicted on the 4 sides of the stupa, representing different aspects of his life and teachings. Visitors can also see other historical elements at Dhauli, such as ancient rock edicts of Ashoka and rock-cut elephant sculptures. The Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century monument in Odisha, India. Konark means corner of the sun and is derived from the Sanskrit words kona, corner or angle, and arka, sun. The temple itself is designed as a giant chariot for the sun god Surya, with 24 carved stone wheels representing the months of the year, 2 wheels per month, and pulled by 7 horses representing the days of the week. It was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984, recognized for its architectural and historical significance. The magnetic levitation of the Konark Sun Temple is a popular legend, not a confirmed fact, suggesting the main idol was once held aloft by powerful magnets. The legend of the Konark Sun Temple's construction involves a tragic death related to its completion. According to the popular legend, the temple's chief architect, Bishu Maharana, missed the construction deadline set by King Narsinghadeva I. As punishment, the king threatened the lives of the 1,200 workers and the architect. Dharmapda, who had been sent to help his father, was able to complete the final keystone of the temple. A debate then took place among the workers. Fearing for their own lives if it became known that Dharmapda had completed the work instead of them, they demanded that Dharmapda be killed. At last, to settle this debate, Dharmapda jumped from the crown he had completed, killing himself and ensuring the safety of the craftsmen. The Brahmeshwara temple in Bhubaneswar is an 11th century Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, known for its exquisite Kalinga architecture and intricate sandstone sculptures. The temple is also significant for being a Panchayatana temple, which is a temple complex with a main shrine and 4 subsidiary shrines at the corners, and for being an early example of using iron beams in construction. Stands approximately 60 feet tall. The Rajrani temple in Bhubaneswar is believed to have originally been dedicated to Lord Shiva, possibly known as Indraswara, although there is no presiding deity inside the sanctum. The temple is now a monument maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India and does not have a presiding deity within its sanctum. The temple's name comes from the locally used term, Rajarani, for the red and yellow sandstone used in its construction, not from the worship of a king and queen. The temple complex is set within a beautiful, well-maintained garden. Every year, the Department of Tourism of the Government of Odisha holds the Rajrani Music Festival in the temple premises, a 3-day event, in the month of January to February. This festival was first started in 2003. The temple is open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. The Mukteshwara temple in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, is a 10th century Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, also known as Lord Mukteswara, which translates to Lord of Spiritual Freedom. The temple is famous for its detailed carvings, particularly the Torna, the elaborately decorated arched gateway, which is a highlight and a testament to the skilled craftsmanship of the period. This architecture is one of the basic reasons why Mukteshwara temple is also known as the gem of Odisha architecture or Kalinga architecture or gem of temples. The Department of Tourism of the state government organizes a 3-day yearly dance function called Mukteshwar Dance Festival in the temple premises. The festival celebrates Odissi, the classical dance form of Odisha, and Odissi music. The event is typically held every year from 14th January to 16th and attracts classical dance enthusiasts from around the world. The Parshurameshwara temple in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, is a well-preserved 7th century Shiva temple, known for its Kalinga-style architecture and intricate carvings. It is considered one of the oldest temples in Odisha. The temple is the first among Bhubaneswar temples to contain Saptamatrika images, a group of 7 goddesses, Chamunda, Varahi, Indrani, Vaishnavi, Kaumari, Shivani, and Brahmi. The Parshurameshwara temple in Bhubaneswar is surrounded by well-maintained gardens and other temples, specifically the Mukteshwar temple and Siddheshwar temple. Alarnatha Mandira is a Hindu temple dedicated to Vishnu. The temple is situated in Brahmagiri, about 21 kilometers from Puri, and is believed to be on a hill where Lord Brahma once worshipped Lord Vishnu. In this temple, Lord Vishnu is worshipped as Lord Alarnath. The deity has 4 arms. He holds chakra in his upper right hand, lotus in his lower right hand, conch, shell or shankha in his upper left hand, and club, gada, in his lower left hand. Alarnath temple is known as an alternate place for Lord Jagannath during the 15-day Anvasara period, when the deities are not available for darshan at the Puri Jagannath temple after their ritualistic bath, Snan Yatra. The deities are believed to be sick after bathing ceremony and are undergoing renovations on their bodies, a process also known as Navayuvana. The Digambara Jain temple in Bhubaneswar is located atop Khandagiri hill, alongside ancient, rock-cut Jain caves, Udayagiri and Khandagiri caves, from the 1st century BC commissioned by King Kharvela. The temple is a significant site for the Digambara sect of Jainism. The Udayagiri and Khandagiri caves are a series of ancient, partly natural and partly artificial rock-cut caves near Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India, known for their historical, archaeological, and religious significance. Udayagiri, Sunrise Hill, has 18 caves, while Khandagiri, Broken Hill, has 15, with the 2-storied Rani Gumpha, Queen's Cave in Udayagiri being one of the most famous. The Hathi Gumfa Cave, also known as the Elephant Cave, at the Udayagiri Hills is famous for a 17-line inscription on its brow detailing the achievements and events of the first 13 years of King Kharvila's reign, providing insight into his military, economic, and social policies. The inscription begins with the Jain Namokar mantra, and it also mentions the king's religious tolerance and support for Jainism. The Konark Sun Temple Museum is an archaeological survey of India museum near the Sun Temple in Konark, Odisha, that displays 260 fallen architectural pieces and sculptures. The museum, founded in 1968, provides context for the temple's grandeur and features 4 galleries with exhibits from the temple's restoration. The Odisha State Museum in Bhubaneswar is a cultural institution established in 1932 that houses a diverse collection of artifacts representing the state's history and heritage. Its 11 sections include archaeology, art, natural history, and rare palm leaf manuscripts, showcasing elements like ancient sculptures, tribal artifacts, and various painting styles. Odisha State Tribal Museum, earlier known as Museum of Tribal Art and Artifacts. The Odisha State Tribal Museum is a cultural institution in Bhubaneswar that showcases the rich heritage of the state's 62 tribal communities through artifacts, traditional huts, and multimedia displays. It features interactive kiosks, VR experiences, and audiovisual presentations to provide visitors with an immersive understanding of tribal life, including their crafts, attire, and social systems. Nandankanan Zoological Park is a 437-hectare or 1,080-acre zoo which is 15 kilometers from the capital city of Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Unlike other zoos in the country, Nandankanan Zoo is built right inside the forest and set in a completely natural environment. Nandankanan Zoo is popular for its successful white tiger and melanistic tiger breeding program, as it was the first zoo in the world to breed both. It is also the only conservation breeding center for Indian pangolins or scaly anteater, and the first in India to join the World Association of Zoos and Aquariums, WAZA. Key features include a diverse collection of over 3,500 animals from 157 species, a white tiger safari, a botanical garden, and various safaris for species like lions, bears, and deer. Chilika Lake is located approximately 50 kilometers from Bhubaneswar, making it a popular day trip destination. Chilika Lake is a shallow, brackish water lagoon that extends across the districts of Puri, Khurda, and Ganjam in Odisha. It is connected to the Bay of Bengal. The lake covers an area of approximately 1,100 sq km. and is Asia's largest brackish water lagoon and the second largest in the world. It is one of the only 2 lagoons in the world where the endangered Irrawaddy dolphin can be seen. Popular activities include boat rides for dolphin watching, bird watching, and fishing.
Living a life of favor, I'm a fire. Hallelujah, I'm a first worker, a woman, a warrior, and I'm a Hallelujah, every battle I face, I'm a winner. Set fire to the worries, I'm a learner, no surrender. But I'm God's son.